Hello! Thanks for joining us for another video in our series, Trends in Technology Education. I'm John O'Keefe, Modern Classroom Certified Trainer and Technology Education Jedi here with Logical Operations. Today's topic is going to be Tableau. Tableau provides software that can interpret the mountains of data that many businesses have been collecting and turn them into visualizations and stories that anyone can understand. A Tableau user can take data from a simple single Excel spreadsheet all the way to a complex set of rational databases, load it into Tableau, and make a visualization that anyone inside an organization will be able to follow. As you can see, Tableau visualizations go far beyond basic pie charts and graphs that you're used to with programs like Excel, and can make the mountains of data that are out there so much easier to read. That's why businesses that are utilizing Tableau are seeing double the value of their data as opposed to businesses that are not. And that's also why Tableau has over 50,000 different companies, from Nike to Coca-Cola to Google to Boeing. So who needs Tableau training? Data-driven analysis is a critical component in the decision-making process in HR departments, IT departments, sales, and marketing. Your typical Tableau student will be interested in pursuing a career in either business intelligence or data management, and they will have most likely taken an Excel training before. How is Tableau training delivered? Well, simply it's delivered in two-day classes. The first two-day class is Tableau Desktop Part 1, where students are going to do many hands-on activities to create visualizations, stories, and work with simple data sets inside of Tableau. Tableau Desktop Part 2 is also 2 days of training and covers more of the advanced features and statistical modeling that are part of Tableau. If you combine both courses, you have 4 days worth of training, and anyone who takes those 4 days worth of training would be eligible to sit for the Tableau Qualified Desktop Associate certification. Students with formal Tableau training can expect to earn anywhere between $85,000 to $95,000 a year on average. Demand for Tableau-related jobs is also increasing, with a recent search on Indeed showing over 23,000 job postings. Companies like Sony, Facebook, and Verizon are all looking for Tableau-trained employees. A recent article stated that there will be 5 times more citizen data scientists, aka people using programs like Tableau, by 2022 than there are currently. This is an explosive job market, and Tableau is an industry leader in this space. Training in Tableau can help any student further their career and would be an excellent choice for many students who have taken Excel or who are interested in business intelligence.